Have you tasted it yet?
Not yet. I'm taking pictures.
As good as it gets.
If you've spent any time in the Scouts in the last 30 years, you know what this is about. Let's make it happen. All right. If you know what this is about, you can already taste it, I'm sure. So with the Scouts, this is one of the first things we teach the kids how to use their Dutch oven. And that's a Dutch oven cobbler. I'm not camping right now, so obviously I'm not going to use a Dutch oven. I'm going to just use a disposable 13x9 cake pan. And this happens quick. I got my oven at 350. And I'm going to use 2 to 3 cans of peaches and heavy syrup. Spread these out a little bit. So yeah, 3 cans is just right for me. I'm going to add, see, this is a 1 pound bag, but I'm not going to use all this. I want maybe half this bag of blackberries. You don't have to spread them out like I'm doing. I just, want to. I've got super moist white cake mix. That I am going to sprinkle across my fruit. Kind of even it out a little bit. Nothing too crazy here. 1 stick of salted butter. You can melt this if you want. I like to slice it. I'm used to slicing it. When you're out in the camping, you don't really have a microwave to melt things. You can also, instead of the butter, use a can of lemon lime soda. So like a 12-ounce can of Sprite or 7-Up also works well. You just pour it on top and into the oven. Now, this is something that I do. This is cinnamon sugar. And I'm going to just give it a good sprinkling on top of this butter. This is going into a 350-degree oven, about 30-45 minutes until it's done, and you will know when it's done. All right, this right now is molten lava. But it will be delicious here in about 20 minutes. So after dinner, I'm going to let this cool off, and it'll still be nice and warm. We'll serve it with some bluebell ice cream.
As good as it gets.